Hi guys, welcome back to Caramia's Corner. Join me today for an unboxing of my Graphic 45 order. So I rarely order from them online. I usually get my supplies from Amazon, or in the past when my Tuesday morning was still open, I used to get it there. But looked at their clearance aisle and found this wonderful paper collection. It is the Fashion Forward paper collection, and it was on clearance. It is a bundle and it was $36.75. Let's have a look. Alright guys, super excited to see what came in this bundle. Such a wonderful price. So let's do a quick flip through and see what the 12 by 12 calendar collection looks like. And underneath this is the 12 by 12 paper pads that came with this. Now we have the 8 by 8 sheet, and this is basically a complete duplicate in a smaller version of our calendar 12 by 12 sheets. This paper collection or bundle also came with their little chipboard, little ephemera here, and it's so gorgeous. We have some journal cards they'll be looking at right here. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing of this Graphic 45 Fashion Forward bundle. It is on clearance right now in their website, so if you still want to get your hands on this, I think it's so beautiful. It's a beautiful collection, and I'm super excited to make my mini journal, my junk journals and mini album. Again, thanks for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.